Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. This is Sandy for Spellbinders, and this is video number 2 of my 3-part card making series for November 2019.
So for this card making idea, I'm going to use a couple of different sets of dies. The first one that you may recognize is the November 2019 Amazing Paper Grace Spellbinders die, and this comes with several different pieces that you can create cards with, and I decided on using this one right here. And so this is going to be kind of sort of like a topper. And the other set of dies that I'm using is also from Spellbinders, and it's the Oval Ironwork, and this is just a regular frame die, and I love this design. So what I've used in this one is the larger frame die and the smaller one, and when you use the smaller one, it cuts 2 pieces over here. It's going to cut your thin frame and then the insert. So what I'm also going to be using here from Spellbinders is this piece, this Sentiment Love, and this comes in your Spellbinders November card making kit of the month, and these are the die cut shapes and words and whatnot. So I went ahead and pulled this one from there, and I think it is so super cute. Well, I trimmed off a little bit more than I would have liked, but it can still work. We can still make this work. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are just going to place this right along here, and it's looking so beautiful already. So let's go ahead and add some glue. And I just love making cards, y'all. It's such a relaxing and fulfilling experience. And then what I do with my cards, I just donate them to senior living centers in the area. And it brings me such joy to bring joy to others. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and add our topper. Just like that. Let me go ahead and put a tad of glue in the back of this so it doesn't stick up so much. Just like that. Now, mine is overhanging a little bit more than what I would like for it to, because I cut a little bit more than I want it to. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it over like so and just follow that right along there, and the same thing with this side, just like that. That's good enough. Okay, so now that this part is in place, we're going to go ahead and use the frame that we cut, and what I'm going to do with this is I want to make it a little bit dimensional. Let's see. Okay, so over here I'm just gonna take this part here and I'm just gonna glue it right along that mat. Just like that. Okay. And of course, you're gonna center it as best as you can. And the next thing that I want to do, let me see. The next thing that I want to do is I'm gonna add some dimensional foam over here, and let me just use some of my Spellbinders foam dots. Side. Oops, don't stick on me. What I like about these foam dots is that they are, the paper on the back is so much easier to lift. So once again, here I'm going to have to move this towards me a little bit so that I can see better. And we are going to center this as best as we can. Just like that. Okay? So you can see dimensional. I just love making dimensional cards. And this one, we are going to go ahead and pop dot it right along there. And so go one there, one there, I guess another one there. Right there. See how easy these come off? I love that. Okay. So once again, I need to move this closer to me. And there we go. We have a nice dimension there. And over here, what we're going to do is we're going to add more dimension. But because I don't have enough of those, I'm going to use these. And I'll go one there, one there, there's one there, another one here, and another one here. And I think I'm going to take the smaller ones, put one there, and the other one there. Now for this, I am going to need to use my tool-in-one. To remove the backing. Okay, let me go ahead and stand up for this. That way I can get it just right. This is going to go just like that. And we are done! Isn't this lovely? Look how dimensional it is. And I just love it. I love card making. I am making a bunch of cards this month so that I can take them to my local senior center. And oh wow, I just love making cards and donating them. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and leave you with links to the Spellbinders Club kits in the area underneath this video, and just so you know, those are affiliate links. That's my full disclosure right there. And the price of the cards, the price of the kits does not change whether or not you use my links, but it is my hope that you actually do use my links, because any commissions that I receive from those sales go directly back into my crafts, in which I donate them to senior citizens facilities. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye.